Sup? It's Cooler Devin here, filling in for regular Devin, who's sleeping in on Christmas morning. Can you believe it? Anyways, I wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas, Tippy Tipmas, Happy Holidays. And what better way to celebrate the holidays than by announcing the winners of the Tippi Tree skin design competition. A few weeks ago, we asked you to design your very best Tippi Tree skin. Then it was voted on by the community of My Mini Factory. So not only did you have to create a spectacular design, but there was also an element of self-promotion in order to get yourself to the top. The design with the most votes is going to become an actual Tippi Tree skin designed by yours truly, and you'll also win the Artillery Sidewinder X1 3D printer. The entry with the second highest number of votes will win the Artillery Genius 3D printer. And there's one final entry that will win based on my own personal decision. That designer is going to win a Sovol SV01 3D printer and also have their design created as an official Tippi Tree skin. So there's 3 big winners today, and we're going to find out who they are. Right? Okay, let's start out with the person who received the second highest number of votes. Congratulations to Carissa H. and her Tippi Frutti. Yes, Carissa designed this immaculate, photorealistic pineapple. The pineapple is not on top of a pizza. That would be grounds for disqualification, but it's just a really nice looking pineapple. And for that, you win second place. Congratulations, Carissa. Great work on getting those votes. You got a good hustle in you. And for that, you are rewarded. All right, that was pretty cool. Now let's move right on ahead to the entry with the most votes. The winner of the Artillery Sidewinder X1 3D printer and the number 1 entry for the skin design competition. It is the Tippi Tree by Jen Day and Bill Drastel. It looks like this dynamic duo teamed up to make this absolutely fantastic Tippi Tree. I mean, the name was there, right? It just had to happen. And there were several tikis submitted to the competition, but Bill and Jen did a great job making it super detailed, really nicely illustrated. I'm sure just the cleanliness of the illustration won some votes, but it's also super detailed, right down to the base. This one's gonna be a tough one to model, but I'm not one to turn down a challenge. And this entry did in fact receive the most votes through that voting period. So congratulations, Jen and Bill. Your Tippi Tree is fantastic, and it's going to become an actual 3D model that everyone on My Mini Factory can print out. How cool is that? So there you have it, the most voted for entry and the winner of the competition. However, like I said, there is one additional winner based on my personal choice. With nearly 1,000 entries into this competition, this was an incredibly difficult decision for me to make. There were so many excellent entries. Some people just put so much time into the presentation. Some people really hustled to get votes. Other people just thought of something super clever and creative. Now, this entry already did really well on its own. It received the 4th highest number of votes. But to me, it was just really special because it reimagined Tippi Tree in a way that I think is perfect for the game, but also completely different from the original Tippi Tree. So, my choice for the winner of the Sovol SV01 and a custom skin for Tippi Tree is Renee von Koolwilk with the Leaky Hydrant. Congratulations, Renee von Koolwilk. You have cool in your name. How could I turn that down? But even on top of that, I found the Leaky Hydrant to just be such a fun and creative idea. I love that it uses the leaves as part of the design, the water that's shooting out of the hydrant. I really love the form factor of this hydrant. It's a simple object, it's something that everyone would recognize, and it's made in a way that looks really fun and friendly, which is kind of weird to say about a fire hydrant, right? So I was impressed by that. I feel like that water explosion just conveys the excitement of the game. And well, I think Renee just hit it on so many different points that I couldn't pass it up. Very cool. So there you have it. The 3 winners of the Tippi Tree skin design competition. Thank you so much to everyone who entered. There were tons of spectacular designs. Definitely more than just these 3 deserve to be on the top, but it's a competition after all, so you'll just have to enter the next one. Anyways, congratulations to the winners. Thank you so much to everyone who participated, including My Mini Factory for helping host the competition, and Artillery and Sovol for providing the wonderful 3D printers that I'm sure the winners are super excited to receive. Yes, I love these competitions, so we'll definitely have another one very shortly. But until then, that's it for today. So, well, I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, happy holidays, and as Devin would say, stay inspired. Wait, I'm here. Did I miss something? No, just kidding, I know. I'm not that funny. Anyways, I really wanted to thank you all so much for joining the competition. And moreover, thank you to everyone who purchased Tippi Tree, printed it out as gifts for family. It's so exciting watching this idea of mine grow and become something that actually exists in the world. I've already seen some little clips of people sharing their fun experiences with Tippi Tree on Twitter and on Instagram. Seeing everyone out there with their own custom printed Tippi Tree sets enjoying the game is so awesome, and really I think that sells the game better than me standing here talking about it. With that said, I would love to see your Tippi Tree clips and share them with the world. So if you manage to catch any exciting or suspenseful moments of you and friends and family playing Tippi Tree, and you want it to be featured on this channel, well, you can send footage to devin.montes plus tippytree@gmail.com. Send me your little clips, and yeah, you might get featured on the channel, and you're gonna help me show people how exciting Tippi Tree can be. And I might throw in some extra special bonus files for anyone who does that as well, so I will be sure to thank you and reward you somehow. Releasing Tippi Tree was probably the highlight of my year. Not that there was a ton of competition, but really, thank you all for being as excited as I am about this game. It's been great. I'm really excited about the winners of the Tippi Tree competition. I'll probably be live streaming my design process as I turn those into official skins, and then I'll release them pretty soon. All right, I think 2021 is gonna be our year. We deserve it. Till then, I love you, thank you, happy holidays, stay safe, take care, and stay inspired.